to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Gcash account to your PayPal account. So first of all, just open your PayPal account, and after that just simply log into your account. Just click on login and just enter your credentials and just log into your account, and from there just click on my PayPal and you will be redirected to the home page of your PayPal account, and simultaneously just go ahead and log in into your Gcash account as well. And once you're logged in into both your accounts, so unfortunately there isn't a direct way through which you will be able to add your money to your PayPal account from your Gcash account, but there is another way through which you will be able to add money. So for that, all you have to do is just link a bank account from your PayPal account as well as your Gcash account simultaneously, because that particular bank will act as a mediator between your PayPal account and your Gcash account in order to transfer the money between both the apps. So to do that, you have to click on the Pay and Get Paid section in your PayPal account, and after that just click on Banks and Card under the Payment Method section. Just click on it. And over here you have two options. Either you can go ahead and link a bank account, or you can go ahead and link a debit or credit card with your PayPal account, as you can see on the screen right here. Since I have added the bank account in my PayPal account, and this same bank account has been also added in my Gcash account as well, and once both these accounts are linked, then you can go ahead and enter the amount that you would want to transfer from your PayPal account. For example, I want to transfer some amount of money. Just click on Send Payment. Just mention the send request and just enter the details of the person that you want to transfer the money. So this is basically how you will be able to transfer your money from your Gcash account to your PayPal account quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.